Doorbell cameras are becoming more and more popular. It activates when a doorbell senses a visitor with its built-in motion sensors. It should help you to find out who's waiting in front of your house, but sometimes it can film something quite disturbing. Here are some of those disturbing footages. This video was captured by a Reddit user's doorbell camera. He claims to have woken up to his dog going crazy outside, followed by a notification from the app ring saying motion was detected at this door. The video captured a strange man with an eye watching his camera. TV man. In 2019, in the city of Richmond, Virginia, there were unusual events associated with this man with a television in his head. He walked around the neighborhoods and brought home these old televisions from the 1980s. In this video, a woman's screams can be heard across the neighborhood. You can notice her screaming, "Help me please." Everything was caught on the doorbell camera when a white car with an open trunk was seen speeding down the road. In August 2016, a Reddit user posted that he got some very disturbing footage from his home security camera. At first, they got 8 notifications of motion being detected near their house. They thought it were just some animals, so they were kinda surprised when they saw what it actually was. This video was captured in a summer in San Antonio, Texas. You can see a guy in a Halloween costume, but as I said, it's a warm summer day. Guy comes to the porch and starts saying, "Trick or treat."
Trick or treat. Trick or treat. Trick or treat. Smell my feet. I keep this cat. Stolen from the cinema. It's a sea life. Lucky truck.
This clip was taken during the entire clown pandemic of 2016.